Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm just reflecting on this past year of 2021. And today I'm just focusing on what can we do that will impact the world for the better. I was just reflecting this morning and on the new year coming up, but definitely on the year past, and just wondering, what have I done to make this world better? I mean, I hope through this channel, for those of you that love robotics, love First Lego League, I have done a little bit to help you guys have fun, to enjoy it, to really love it. Um, and that's kind of my passion every day, is just how do I make things better for teachers, for students. And I want folks to be excited as much as I am. But then I also thought, you know what have I done to help out people? So today I wanted to just give you a glimpse of what myself and my students, actually my homeroom, what we have done, because we're focusing on just helping people. Because I know that we are happier when we know that, we're making a difference and making other people happy. So we live near a hospital. It's called Loma, and they have a program where you can, I was thinking, what can I do to have my students feel like they're a part of making people feel better? And there are, kids at Loma Linda that have sometimes a terminal disease. Sometimes they have just illnesses that force them to be in the hospital. And so I thought, what can myself and my students do to help out those kids to make them feel better? So today's video is about Cards4Kids. I will leave you guys the link if you are interested in this. I don't actually know if they're accepting these cards. I'm going to send them in anyway. I know about 6 months back, I asked them if they're accepting cards and they said no because of COVID. But I thought, you know what? My students already made these cards. They look wonderful, and I'm going to send them in anyway. And if they don't, necessarily give them out right now, maybe they can hold on to them and give it to kids later. What they do is they have these cards that you make, you send them in, and then they put those cards on the breakfast tray of kids just to make them feel better, just to let them know that, hey, we're thinking about you, and we just want to brighten up your day. And so if you want to try this out, you can read the rules. There are some rules on the size of the card you send in. There's rules on things you can say. Like, they don't want you to say get well soon, because some of these kids unfortunately won't get well, and you don't want to give them false hopes. But it gave my students such a sense of, I'm doing something good for somebody else, and they're not, it just took them out of that me, always thinking about my needs, and they were thinking about others, empathy. And so it was really nice. It was a really good project. And I don't know, I wish we could possibly get pictures, like 1 or 2 pictures of how these actually would look, the kids' faces. But my students just have to realize, hey, you're not always going to get the result. You're not always going to see the results of what you do. Hopefully in their mind, they can just know I've made somebody's day. So let me just go ahead and show you the cards that my students made, and then we'll get that thing shipped off to them. Okay, guys, so again, check the description if you guys want to check this out, or you can possibly look for other ways in your community to help out kids with, sicknesses or diseases or the elderly. I know a lot of times nursing homes have opportunities like this, veterans. So there's a lot of opportunities, guys, for us to just make a difference and help out people that are less fortunate or in a different or maybe a worse situation than what we are in. And hopefully we can give them some hope and some smiles and some happiness. Okay, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be looking forward for my 2021 looking back reflection video in robotics, and then definitely looking forward for year 2022. Okay, guys, I'm Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I am out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.